How manifestation works is you gotta act as though you're already doing the thing you want to be doing. So if I want a beach vacation, then naturally you gotta buy a beach bag. So welcome to the unboxing of my new beach bag by Loewe. Upon opening, I ordered it online. So this is literally just showing you what I got. I even got a card that I wrote myself, and it says, I actually forgot what I wrote. Have a great trip in Mexico. Guess I'm going to Mexico. This is her. I'm so excited. Debating if I should do a aesthetic unboxing or if I should just continue with this video. Let's just continue with this video. I feel like Monica opening Chandler's Las Vegas tickets. You know what I'm talking about?
Okay, there you go. It's 2 tickets to Vegas. Wow.
Oh my gosh. She's so pretty. I got the small size because I wanted to just, I don't know, I don't want to have something very big. But here she is. She's so cute. I'm so excited to use this on my trip to Mexico.